Hello there, I hope you're well and keeping safe. This is Penny. Each day is an opportunity to improve yourself. Stop chasing after other people's versions of you. Don't compare yourself to others. If you don't love yourself, believe in and accept yourself, you will try to find someone else to do it for you. Seeking that validation from someone other than yourself can have a huge effect on the choices you make. You're beautiful, you're smart, you're strong, you can do it. You don't need anyone to tell you who to be. You don't need anyone to set the bar for you. Keep it here. Kindly like and subscribe. Let's go together. Bye bye. See you.